Hello, myself Amar Raj. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel. As you can see, today we are going to discuss the chapter sound. In this chapter, we will study about what is sound. Next, we will discuss production of sound. After, we will discuss propagation of sound. Our next topic would be important terms related with vibration or oscillation. Since sound is produced by vibration, so we will discuss important aspects about vibration. Our next topic would be characteristics of sound. After, we will discuss sound as audible and inaudible. Next, we will learn about human ear, its structure and function. And as last topic, we will discuss what is noise and what is music. We will also differentiate between noise and music. So let's start. As you can see, what is sound? We are going to define sound. Sound is a form of energy which is produced by vibration and makes us hear. So students, साउंड एक तरह की एनर्जी है जो वाइब्रेशन से प्रोड्यूस होती है. मतलब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो वाइब्रेट करता है वो साउंड प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है. और दूसरी बात कि ये इट मेक्स अस हियर मीन्स ये हम लोगों को सुनने का एहसास देता है, ये हम लोगों को सुनने में हेल्प करता है और कह सकते हैं कि ये हमारे हियरिंग सेंसेशन का कारण है. वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट 5 सेंसेस out of 1 hearing. So students, we have to keep 3 points in our mind to express what is sound. First, sound is a form of energy. Second, sound is produced by vibration. And third, sound makes us hear. So with these 3 points, we can understand what is sound. After the discussion of what is sound, here you can take a screenshot. We will proceed to the next topic. In next slide, you can see we are going to discuss about production of sound with the help of some examples. Students, what you can see? This is a drum, and when drum is beaten, its skin vibrates. Its skin vibrates up and down, and this vibration produces sound. So the drum produces sound by vibration of its skin. Now let us see some more examples. Here you all are aware with sound boxes or speakers. These sound boxes or speakers, when produces sound, they also vibrates. You can feel, you can touch. If you touch them, you can feel them vibrating. So this also proves, these speakers proves that when there is a sound, there is a vibration. Or you can say, where there is a vibration, there is sound. So sound can be produced, the sound can be generated with the help of vibration. Let us take some more example. In humans, students, when we speak, when humans speak, this is the main source of sound. When we humans speak, this is called voice box or larynx. You can see voice box or larynx. This voice box, you can see its enlarged view. This voice box consists 2 ligaments. Ligaments are soft bones. So these 2 ligaments are also called vocal folds or vocal cords. When air passes between the gap of two vocal cords, the sound is produced. When we speak, we force air through the gap of two vocal cords, which makes the vocal cords vibrates, and thus we speak, we produce sound. So here also you can feel your vibration of your vocal cord inside your throat with your palm. अगर आप अपनी हथेली को अपने गले के फ्रंट पार्ट पर रखकर महसूस करते हैं कि जब आप बोलेंगे, जब आप कुछ आवाज़ निकालेंगे अपने गले से, तो वहाँ पे एक वाइब्रेशन फील होगा, वाइब्रेशन महसूस होगी. सो हियर ऑल्सो इन ह्यूमन्स द साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वाइब्रेशन. So let us summarize what we have learned, what we have discussed about production of sound. Before discussing the sound production, we should know about what is vibration, because sound is produced by vibration. So what is vibration? Let us study. As you can see, the rapid to and fro motion is called vibration. Rapid मतलब तेज, टू एंड फ्रो मतलब आगे पीछे. तो तेजी से जो आगे पीछे का मोशन होता है रिपीटेडली, बार बार, उसको वाइब्रेशन कहेंगे. और इसी मोशन का रिजल्ट है साउंड. इसी वाइब्रेशन का रिजल्ट होता है प्रोडक्शन ऑफ साउंड. सो नाउ लेट अस सी, let us note down that sound is produced by a vibrating object, and we have explained already, we have discussed with the help of some examples. So summarize these examples here. As example 1, you can see in a tabla or drum, the sound is produced by vibration of a stretched skin or membrane. तबला और ड्रम में साउंड कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है? तो उसके स्ट्रेच्ड स्किन के वाइब्रेशन से. सिमिलरली इन सितार और गिटार, द साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वाइब्रेशन ऑफ अ स्ट्रेच्ड स्ट्रिंग. सितार और गिटार में साउंड का प्रोडक्शन होता है इसके स्ट्रिंग के वाइब्रेशन से. स्ट्रिंग जो कॉमनली थिन वायर्स ऑफ मेटल होते, थिन मेटल वायर्स. दीज थिन मेटल वायर्स are responsible for production of sound by their vibration. Next, you can see in flute, the sound is produced by vibration of air column. In flute, the sound is produced by vibration of air column. Similarly, in our throat, we have discussed already, in our throat, the sound is produced by vibration of vocal cords. Vibration of vocal cords. Here it is written, when air is passed between the vocal cords, they vibrates and produce sound. So this is how we can speak. So my dear students, today in this class we have discussed about production of sound. We have also discussed production of sound in human beings and around different sources which produce sound around us. They produce sound with the help of vibration, and these examples prove that the sound is a form of energy which is produced by vibration. And in continuation of this chapter, in next lesson, in next part of video, we will discuss some more about sound. We will discuss the next topic of this chapter. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.